Hey, it's Miss Vicky B. How are y'all doing today? Today I just thought I would make some chili pies for y'all. It's cold outside and it snowed a little yesterday. So what you'll need is some Fritos and about a pound or so of ground beef, some chili seasoning mix, an onion, a bell pepper, some tomato sauce, some diced tomatoes, some chili beans, and some shredded cheddar, and some sour cream, and some green onions. Let's get started. So first I wanted to get started cutting up the bell pepper and the onion. I'm going to use the top and cut as much off of the top as I can so that it don't go to waste. And after that, I think I ended up using maybe about a third of this bell pepper. You can use any color you want. I really prefer red, but they didn't have any good red ones, so I went with orange. Sometimes I mix up the colors and use red, yellow, and orange, but I was just making a small batch of chili this day because it was just me and my husband eating. We still ended up having enough for 2 nights. Also, if you wanted to kick up the spice in your chili, you could chop up a jalapeno or any spicy pepper of your choice and throw it in there. You can also use any onion you prefer. I like using either white or red, but this day I was using white, and I think I used just a little over half of the onion. I like a lot of onion in mine. Now to cut the green onions, I decided to get this flat edge knife instead of the rigid one. It just did a better job. Now to start cooking my chili, I'm going to put some cooking spray in the pan, and then I'm going to add my onion and my pepper. And I'm cooking this on a pretty high heat just for a few minutes. While this onion and pepper is cooking and getting tender, I just wanted to say that if you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And leave me a comment below. Let me know which types of my videos you like the best. I like doing cooking videos, cleaning and decorating videos, and shopping haul videos or unboxings. As you can see, I'm stirring this meat mixture pretty frequently, and each time I stir it, I'm turning my heat down just a notch or two. And now I'm adding a half a can of the diced tomatoes, and then I'm going to stir that to get it all mixed in really well. And then I'm going to add 2 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce and 1 can of chili beans. Then I'm going to stir all that in really well. And once that's mixed, I'm going to add a packet of chili seasoning mix. If you're making a bigger pot of chili, you can use more ingredients and 2 packs of chili seasoning mix. Once all those ingredients are mixed really well, I'm going to turn the heat down very low and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, now I'm starting to get the food plated, and I'm going to start by putting some Fritos scoops on the plate. You can use any kind of Fritos you would like. I'm just using the scoops, but the chili cheese Fritos work really well with this too. They're just not as big. Now I'm just going to scoop up a couple of ladles of chili on each plate on top of the Fritos. Once that's done, I'm going to sprinkle the cheese on top. I just got some sharp cheddar, but you can use any kind of cheese you would like. And the sour cream is really optional, but I'm just going to put a dollop of sour cream on each. And then I just sprinkle some green onions on the top. You can also add peppers. You can adjust this any way you want it. And this is how the final product looks. It turned out to be really good, so I hope you'll try this on a cold day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.